Welcome back everyone. My name is Sagar and we are back here with another video. So today is day 181 of our POTD series and today this question is very straightforward. So this question name is last modified ball. So you can just read out this statement. So this is very easy question but let me just tell you what it is. So first of all we are given an array of size n and first of all there are some number in that array and that are represented as marbles. So first of all one condition is given that a bowl can never have more than 9 marbles at one time. So that means all the numbers should be less than 9 and they can be also equal to 9. But one condition also we have here that one friend have to add one extra marble at the end. So if there are 9 marbles at the end, so first of all we are adding one marble at end at our last bowl. But if there is our 9 marbles already, then we have to add it to last second. And if there are already 9 marbles in our last second, then we will add it to last third. So that is the condition. So you can just see this example, and we have to return one base indexing of the bowl that we are adding marble to. Okay. So in this state, you can see there are last bowl have 5 marbles, so we can just add one marble, and we have to return one base indexing, and that is here 4. And in this case, we have to add the marble to our one base bowl, one base index bowl, and that is very straightforward. We can just find the last index of our non 9 bowl, the bowl that don't have our 9 marbles. Okay, so that is a very straightforward question. So we'll start from n minus 1 and we will just get if ai is lesser than 9, then we will return I plus 1, that is our one base value, and we have to return here minus 1, and we will never reach this case because there is a special condition that it is guaranteed that there is at least one bowl which is left one space. So that is a very straightforward question. Here we have to write it as this. So time complexity is your off, and you can also further optimize it using a binary search algorithm. And you can just find the maximum possible index that have values lesser than 9. Okay. And that is it about today, everyone. If you understood this video quickly, then do like this video and also subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.